Almost went for 6. Now hitting hard through the leg side again.
Trouble.
Quiney.
Oh, no.
It's the seagull. He's up on his feet. This is that's him. That's him.
That's an unbelievable effort.
That's a bigger recovery since Rick McCosker in the centenary test here at the MCG.
He did a couple of leaning jailers, Gilly. Did you see him get up on his...
I don't be surprised if he jumps the rope right now.
He's a bit wobbly still. But
He's not happy with him. He saw what he tried to do to him earlier.
Jeez, the crowd have lifted.
Look at him eyeing off Bobby Quiney. We might have to try and talk him. Go, son. Kent McKay. That's been pulled out to the leg side. Oh, the bird, he's back. He wants in on the action again.
Jeez, he's gone right back to where he just got hit the kid out of that area.
Oh, he's back in the danger zone.
I think he wanted to help Bobby out there.
He could save another couple of runs there, I reckon. He's
deep mid-wicket.
Heavy breaths.
He's had the
I reckon he's gone the ankle tap.
He's had a go at
He's gone
Bobby.
the ankle tap. Look at him.